You are live now. Okay. So I think I'm live now. I'm not sure because I don't have second monitor today for checking. So please make sure that you are typing something in the chat so that I will know that I'm live. Okay. Meantime, please start putting the questions in the chat so that I will start answering the questions. And I want to show you some things and give you some tips also this time. Okay, so let me just put one message in the group that I'm live now. So let's see, live now. Okay, great. So let's say if there is someone who wants to join, they will be joining. Okay, great. Now, yeah, please start putting something in the chat so that I will know. Okay, Dinero, where you have been? So I've been working on the project as I said. So there is a lot of content that I supposed to be doing. Okay, so let me show you. I think GitHub, right? GitHub, yeah, GitHub, and no, not GitHub. GitHub Fluxit. I know like a lot of people are trying to contact me. There are crazy messages. I can see it, but please try to understand. I'm hooked with this project right here. Okay, Evil Punch. Okay, so obviously I have to create the content for this particular course also. I have to create content for the members only on the YouTube also, right? So that's why it is taking the time. Okay, I'm not intentionally ignoring your messages. There is a reason. Okay, and I'm not ignoring at all. Like I'll be replying all of the messages once I get free. Okay, I know like few people in the chat, like this particular guy, the hero, he's trying to be contact. I know in the last night I think I talked to him, but yeah, I'll be messaging every single guy without warning. Is saying, hey bro, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm like little bit stressed, but yeah, I'm doing good. GhostSec Lab, has the get SSL issue on Evil Punch has been rectified? Yes, it has been. It has been taken care of. So what I did is get SSL directly was not working. Like private SSL was working, but the public SSL LS encrypt SSL was not working. So what I basically did is I replaced that with the command of the Let's Encrypt itself. Okay, so now you need to copy that command and paste in the terminal, and it will generate the certificates. Okay, as simple as that. um, Obviously it is a little bit complex. I suppose to automate that, but I think I should be spending my time on fixing things in the software core itself rather than fixing on the these auto getting SSL and all. Okay, because yeah, because that's not important. Okay, I have been trying to set up the Evil Punch, but I couldn't. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky to set up actually Evil Punch. Okay, because if you see the Evil Punch, it has two modes: the development mode right here, and then there is a production mode right here. Okay, this is the production mode that you're supposed to use, and hence it is optimized for the Debian. You cannot create any other server. You have to use the Ubuntu on the cloud server. The second thing is, when you create the dashboard, you need to add username and password and basically the config, right? So that you need to add. So that also takes some part in the complexity. But once you learn how to do initial setup, after that it is like freeway. You will understand everything. Okay, I can totally understand that you are facing this issue, and I know you will be facing issue. But like I told people to contribute on the project and no one is trying to push the code. That's not good because there are six forks. Okay, six forks, but zero contribution. That's not good. If someone like trying to contribute and everything, then the process will become really faster, and lot of minor bugs like the get SSL and all will be fixed sooner. Hi bro, how is everything? I hope you good. Yes, thanks man. I'm having an issue with the red screen on my links. Don't last up to 2 days, 3 days. I use the Cloudflare to proxy the connections. Yeah. I know. It's a Google safe browsing mechanism that's causing the issue. The solution for that is obviously the path rewrite and basically obfuscating code in such way or manipulating code in such a way that browser will not try to find the default patterns in it. Okay, that's the basic idea of bypassing it. I tried, I failed, and that's why I started new project, because modifying in the Go, it was becoming really really hard. So I thought, okay, let's create my own project in the Python so that anyone can modify it. Okay, so you can expect this particular evil punch to be solved, that particular raid issue. Okay, not yet, not yet. There is some work to be done. Give me 1 week or something, but definitely it will be capable of bypassing that particular issue completely, almost completely. Al Chapo, it's long time, bro. Al Chapo, you've been not joining this stream. I don't know why, but I hope you are okay. What exactly does the Evil Punch do? Evil Punch is, you can say, Xerox copy of the Evilginx. Plus, there is a more. For example, in the okay, so you already know what Evilginx can do. The same thing can be done by using the Evil Punch. Plus, it is designed in the Python, so you can modify it, you can understand the code. Second, it has a graphical user interface. So whatever we type commands on the Evilginx, we don't need to do that. We can just access the dashboard and do it everything using graphical user interface. That's the Evil Punch. The third, it has a notification mechanism inbuilt in it. Okay, so that's the third thing. Fourth thing is, you were facing the issue with the session management in the Emergenix. That is also solved. Then fifth thing, you were facing in the issue in the Emergenix that you cannot use the multiple domain, like more than one domain, right? That was the issue. In this one, that is also fixed, right? So yeah, there is a lot more in the Evil Punch that is not in the Evilginx. Okay, great. Is it a Git clone to source code? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do the Git clone. You will get the source code. Yeah, Dinero. Yes, Ghost. I think Ghost has been using my source code then. Okay, Tanmay is saying, bro, I did everything including username and password. I was able to access my dashboard, but the fishlets is so confusing. Yeah, it is. Like getting into the right format for the Evil Punch, it is different from the normal. Yes, it is normal. It's different because there is a reason. I hope we get YouTube videos on guides on later. Yes, definitely. Tomorrow only, I promised the Monday, right? So tomorrow only I'm going to release those videos. By the way, there is one tip I want to share. Please stay on the live. I will just share after I complete this one. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to release the videos for the members only on the YouTube, and in 2 days it will be available for every single guy. Okay, so these video are like a starter to the basics, and after that you have to pay. But if you have like perfect knowledge of the Evilginx, then I don't think so you need to pay. You can understand this particular software really easily. Okay, that's a plus point. Second thing is, I supposed to upload the video today only, but I pushed to the tomorrow because there was a little bit issue. My subscription was over, and I found one loophole that I am going to share with you. uh, as you know, like I use CapCut for my editing. Okay, this CapCut I have right here. So if you check in my country, the CapCut is banned, but I used to use the Singapore location. So they were charging 30 euros for the subscription. But I found that they are labeling the account from the origin it is coming from. So I created the account from the Pakistan, and from there I made the payment for the pro version of the 1 year subscription. And you cannot believe me, I got pro version in $50, literally $50. If I wanted to get it from the Europe or Singapore or some Asia or other countries, then it would have charged me $400 to the $300. But I got 50. In case you are content creator and you wanted to, please go ahead, use this particular trick, and you will get it like almost for free. 50 is nothing for a year. 50, crazy, crazy. That means $5 per month. No, yeah, $5 per month subscription eventually. Okay. The one is saying I need a fishlet that is good for Office 365 And also I need to your Telegram or WhatsApp. Yeah, about that. I don't share the WhatsApp, and Telegram is like kind of everyone knows my Telegram. Okay. Uh, you can basically type FLUXX03, you will find my Telegram. Or what you can do is you can go to the Fluxset on the Telegram, and there just go here on this particular repository. Can you see this Telegram right here? It is given, and if you go into the bottom also, this is my okay, this is my group Telegram, and there is supposed to be one my personal Telegram somewhere here also. Okay, so you will find it. About the Office 365, yes, there is a minor issue with the Office that I supposed to fix. It is not required to fix, but I wanted to fix. Apart from that, everything is ready. If you get the materials, by the way, don't think that hence I am launching my own project, hence I am creating the new tool. These materials are invalid. No, these materials are super valid. In this particular group, whatever the offices you are getting, it is working. Okay, whatever the modified source code is getting, it is working. So don't think that the old content is invalid. No, it is still valid. Okay, let's move to the next question. Does members only include us that have been training tutorials? Yeah, I think you have the membership ghost. I can see you have this king tag after your username. So yeah, you have the username. You'll be getting the access for the free videos on the YouTube very first time. Okay. I am like little bit confused what supposed to I do with the members on the YouTube, because I cannot completely rely on the members because YouTube doesn't pay well. But I cannot just leave the members, right? So I'm always in that confusion what I can give more to the members, because for me it is clear: for regular viewers, question answers; for course holders, support; for course holder, there is a material, there is a course videos. But the members only guys are like hanging in between. So what I did is whatever the freemium version of the videos are, which is important, but not always. Not everyone is capable of paying the full course. So for them, I created the members only so that they can access those videos, right? So tomorrow also, whatever the videos I'm going to release, I have to release for the public. So hence I have the members. I'll first push to the members so that I can give them benefit. But trust me, like in future, I'm planning I will be doing members only live stream, because I always feel that I'm giving something less to the members because they are paying monthly, but still, you know, that thing is happening. Spec is saying, hi Flux, what are some things I need to take note of when running the reverse proxy to Evilginx? Target server, my setup VPS1, Nginx servers reverse proxy, VPS2, Evilginx. Oh shit. Why you have Nginx there? What is the purpose of the Nginx, by the way? I'm not sure. Please speak. Give me like little bit details why you are using Nginx in the first place. Tuan is saying I am having issue installing the requirements.txt view pip. Don't install requirement.txt. The problem with the manual installation is it might take the wrong files, and the environment might not created with the proper binaries, virtual environment VNV. Sometimes it creates the environment, but the pip and python is not there in the file. That happens. So do one thing: clone the repository and run this particular file called run.sh. You're supposed to run this run.sh. So when you run very first time, it will install all binaries, it will create a virtual environment, and it will start everything. Okay, so once that is done, then you can do the manual run server start and everything. Okay, then it will work. But very first time I recommend use the run.sh. Also tell me which OS you are using. If you are using Mac, then it is little complicated. Bugs offs. Yes, bro. What's up? How you're doing, man? Tanmay is saying the Evil Punch dashboard is very nice. Thanks. It is designed to be very nice, to be honest, because everyone is like, since I've been in the Evilginx era, every single guy who contacts me about the Evilginx says Why don't you build your own dashboard for the Evilginx? Why don't we create dashboard for the Evilginx? Because the Evilginx architecture, it's the code of the Evilginx itself is managed in the bad way that if I want to extend something, it becomes pain in the ass. Okay. So that's why I wasn't able to do it so far. And I'm not really good with the Go. I'm good with the Python. Okay. So that's why it was my first priority to get everything straight up right so that there is no need to explain anyone what the dashboard is doing. By simply watching the dashboard, they will be understanding, okay, these steps are there and dashboard is doing this. And only problem will be the fishlet that I will be teaching. No issue. Okay. How can I solve this? I'm working on Linux. Okay, you are working on Linux. I'm in people. Okay, no issue. Linux is at the end of the. It's also depend like Debian OS, right? Linux is built on the Debian, on the top of the Debian. So the only problem I'm assuming you will be facing is it will be not starting the reverse proxy port on port 443, because in the Kali Linux that particular port is reserved for other services, right? Like Nginx or any other proxy. So I will recommend run your project into the root. Okay, run in the root mode, so root privileges, and then it will start with the proxy. Okay, I think yes, that's what you're supposed to do. Do sudo su dash and then enter the password and then start working on the project in there. Okay, but I don't recommend directly working on the Linux. Create one Debian VPS or something. By the way, in the course also you will find how to set up your own local lab to do the research, how to do research, what tools to use the research, how research data can be stored and organized so that it can directly pipe into the fishlet and all, everything. Okay, Juna is saying, what about us that bought the Evilginx code? Uh, do we have to buy the Evilginx source code again? No. We are not talking about the Evilginx guys here. Those who bought, they already got the material. They will be getting support for me. They will be getting my future updates. They will be getting everything. They will be getting everything about the Evilginx, not Evil Punch. Evil Punch is completely different project. Okay, Evilginx. If you ask me today, Evilginx Fishlet, yes, there is chance I will give it to you because it's a Evilginx, not the Evil Punch. Evil Punch is completely different topic. Don't mix up the things. Those who got the Evil Punch, sorry, Evilginx, they will be always getting Evilginx from me. Okay, and those who are going to get Evil Punch, they will be always getting the Evil Punch from me. But there are like lot of guys who are like give us the pre-sale or something because I didn't upload the Gophish video, so they are like pressing me like give me the pre-sale, because if they buy in the pre-sale, then I have to do the content. I have to do the content. They know it, so that's why they are pressurizing me. But I don't want to take those commitments, like because sometimes what happens, there are some issues come in the play that you need to fix it before doing something, right? So that adds little bit time, so people get frustrated and hence they have paid me already. I might feel bad, so it's not good. So that's why there is no pre-sale, sorry. Okay, please start. I know like a lot of people are asking the questions on the website already, but the problem with that is, hence I've been continuously working on the content. I'm not able to answer the questions. Okay. I know like little bit people are angry also because in the personal messages I see crazy messages. I know you are messaging on the Telegram. I see crazy messages. You are not the only guy who is messaging me on the Telegram. Many guys, okay, but the thing is, like every single day someone is going to be messaged. That doesn't mean I should be delaying my project. Once I post the project in the public, then I'll be free for doing all of the work. Okay, and the project almost is ready, like few bugs. If community helps me, that will be in even faster. When will you be available online? Available online, what do you mean okay, so that kind of available online. So Uh, I have recorded the videos today 50%. There are total 40 videos. 40. 30 to 5 to 40 videos, because there are some topics that we needs to be have more explanation. So 40 videos. Okay. 20, not 20, 18 of them are recorded already. Okay. And I supposed to edit that tonight. Okay. And tomorrow those videos will going to be out. So remaining 20 videos, once they are recorded, edited and uploaded, after that I am free. After that I am free. And for that I need minimum 3 days. Even if I work day plus night, then also it will need minimum 3 days, because crazy stuff, like a lot of things are intercomplicated. Let's say I am recording the video on the Evil Punch, and once I record, and I then notice that while issuing the SSL certificate is not working, then I have to pause the video, go back to the source code, fix everything, test everything, then come back, then record. You understand? So that's like taking too much time from me. And I cannot just record, show you some fake stuff and fix it later. No, that's not my style. I want to keep it as real as possible. Okay. So yeah. What are the some uncommon, more advanced firewall rules you enable on the VPS? Evilginx VPS, right? See, to be honest, all ports supposed to be blocked except the 443 and 22. Simple. Once you get the SSL, then there is a no need to use any other port. 443 and 22 for SSH, that's it. Nothing else. Apart from that, you can install fail to ban in your system. Okay, that helps a lot with the bot. um, Apart from that, obviously there are a lot of solutions, as I said, the Cloudflare turnstile and all of that solutions. But with the Evilginx, there is a little bit limitation, because the Google safe browsing mechanism is tracking it. I already told you how it is tracking it, what needs to be rewritten and everything. So yeah, sorry. Anyway, how to set up the SSL certificate for Evilginx? There are crazy videos. Oh, Juna is saying I bought the Evilginx course. You didn't share the materials with me. What? 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 No, no, no. That not supposed to happen. Let me check what you talking about. I never do that. Let me check. Let me check. Just give me 1 second. Let me check my dashboard. Okay, okay, okay. I see 6, 7 orders are there. I see. I know what is the issue, I think. If you haven't got material, or if you haven't got mail from me, then there is a chance that N10 pipeline is not working. Actually, what I'm doing is, this fourth wall doesn't have automatic mechanism. So what I have created is, I created the N10 agent, which will track the order, which will check the order, then it will mail the user, get the response, then share the access, right? That's the automated process. So that needs to authenticate itself by every single week, because the Google session token expires and that shit happens. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Who messaged me about that? Let me check his message. Juna, 100% after whoever these 6, 7 guys are, after this particular live, they are going to get access from me. I'll be sharing them manually by myself. Okay, don't worry about that. I never do that. Like, I will not share, and that I never do that. Okay, in case you face any issue, you can directly contact me. By the way, this kind of stuff I usually take crazy serious. Okay, I'll be sharing after the live. Don't worry. Okay, next, how to set up the SSL certificate for the Evilginx. So, SSL certificate is like, first of all, two things. You can get the self-signed SSL certificate by enabling the developer mode. Second thing, you can get the Let's Encrypt free SSL certificate by just using Evilginx as it is without proxy. The third thing, you can set up origin certificate from the Cloudflare, so that a lot of benefits. So in that case, you need a modified source code. You cannot use that particular thing with the regular source code. Okay, you need a modified source code from the modified package. Then only you will be able to install the origin certificate. I see a lot of people are not happy with the original certificate also. I will look into that once I'm free with this all shit. Okay. Okay, sorry. Sharon Being is saying Evilginx lure doesn't work when I turn on DNS only orange on the Cloudflare. Then I put the without disabling. No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. When you enable the proxy on the Cloudflare NM record, it will not work if you are using the regular source code. But if you are using this particular source code from this particular package, then it will work, because in this particular package I am sharing like there is a no like in this package there is not one source code, there are many source code, but one source code that is latest and released is basically has the capability to work with the Cloudflare even if the proxy is on, so that you can protect your IP address and all. So yeah, go ahead, purchase that, access the group, there you will find the source code, set up it. There is a video guide also available, use that. I don't know. Okay. Next question. Hey Roxette, how are you? I'm Romas. Romas, I'm trying to contact you on your account on the website. You are not answering me. I don't know why. Either you are not getting my emails or there is something wrong with your account. I wanted to ask you, have you taken the username on the Telegram called Evil Punch? That's my question, because you are the smart enough guy who can do that. If you have done that, please return it to me. I'll be more than happy and I'm willing to give you full support in further your career, whatever it is. Okay. And I have already told you on the personal also, like I get a lot of work. I'm going to share the work with few people, guys, right? I'm already sharing the work with a lot of guys, but I'm going to share with few people more. Okay. So please, in case you have got that particular Evil Punch username on the Telegram, please share it to me. That will be world for me. Okay. Okay, Juna is saying, hey Fluxate, how are you? No, not Juna. I think Aram secure. Thank you. Yes. VS did, thank you. Juna is saying, tell me how I can authenticate myself and prove I bought your course so I can get the details. I have your Telegram and I have sent you messages. See, there is no need to authenticate, by the way, Juna. As you have mentioned already, I know you have bought it. On dashboard, I have your order. On dashboard, I have your order, so as the seven more guys, six more guys. Okay, the problem is it is not sharing automatically because there is a issue in the pipeline. There is a N10 pipeline, AI agent, N10 AI agent I am using to automatically share the things. That is not working. That's why this particular issue is, and that is also my mistake. I'm going to correct it and I'm going to share you today. Okay, and don't worry, Juna. Like I'm going to, in case you haven't mentioned your Telegram ID, I am going to mail you on whatever the email you are using. I can tell that email also. Um, I think you are using Outlook email, right? So I'm going to. Okay, so I'm not sure which order is yours. There is a three Outlook, one Yahoo, two Gmail. I'm not sure which one is yours, but I think let's assume that you are using whatever the email you are using. I'm going to send email to that particular user email ID. Then reply me with your Telegram ID, and I will share the access. Don't worry, the access is not going anywhere. I'm going to share 100%. I have done more than 600 orders as of now with multiple courses. Not even single guy has paid and they didn't got access. Not even single. I keep my word. When you do something, I share with you. Okay? Don't worry about that. And like there are so many guys that I have refunded their money because they just have put some duplicate order. They have put like something which is not necessary. So Try to understand. I'm not scammer here. Okay, great. Uh, hmm. El Chapo is saying so. About the Telegram, Juna, don't worry. I'm not replying on the Telegram because I'm working on the project. That's why. But in your case, I'm going to reply on the Telegram once I get email response from you. Okay, great. Okay. Al Chapo is saying, so with the Evil Punch, we don't need Evilginx anymore. No, you don't need Evilginx anymore. Evil Punch is like Swiss Army knife or something, and it will take longer before the page goes red. Yeah, yeah, practically yes. Because um, see, I can make that red issue go away in the Golang also, Evilginx also. But the problem is modifying the source code. It's a pain because I am not from the Go background, and Golang is little bit tricky. It has like little bit of syntax. So every single time I do modification, it's a pain. So that's why I decided to create my own tool. So hence it is in the Python. I am really good at Python, and so the lot of people are good in the Python, and the AI is also good in the Python. So anyone can modify that particular code. So the red pages issue, if something is coming that needs to bypass and everything, every single thing can be done really easily in that particular project. Trust me. Just give me 1 week, and in 1 week there will be lots of bugs will be fixed. In 1 week there are a lot of improvement will be done, and after that, that project will be at that moment. It is already on that particular moment, by the way. You can just take it and use it. By the way, a lot of people are using it project also. I get some like in the chat only two people were messaging that they are using. Yeah, this guy Dinero is also using the project, right? So yeah, ask them the feedback about the project. You will understand what is the project about, okay, and what it is capable of. Okay. Tim is saying it will be cool if Evil Punch can generate a full fishlet for any website. What you asking, brother? What you asking? See, there are few reasons why the any software cannot generate fishlet for any website. Few reasons. First of all, not all websites are same. Not all website configuration security stack it's same. Okay. For example, I can create I can create automated software piece of code which will automatically create the fishlet, but it will work on the static websites. Okay, that can be done. I can do it in 1 day, and also you can also do it in the 1 day using the chat GPT or something. The problems comes when there is a dynamic website. In the dynamic also there are types. It's a full stack dynamic website, and is it the microservice dynamic website? Like in the full stack you can count as a Flask app, Django app. These are the full stack dynamic. um, there is one PHP framework also. I forgot that name. What was that name? Anyway, Angular or something, right? So that's one type of the website. Another type of the website is Next.js, React.js. These are the website, right? So in case of Next.js, React.js, it is almost impossible to create the automated process to do the fishlet. Almost impossible, and there are reasons why. Okay, no matter how much smart you are, there will be always chance there is a something you are missing. Okay, you can use the automated process to get the fishlet done for, let's say, 70%, 50%. Okay, but after that, whatever you need to do, you need to do it by yourself by using your knowledge and tools. Okay, that's the harsh reality. Okay, Juna, can you fire up the evil punch and let's see how it's done? Interesting. I have used it but not working. What? What? Juna, let me tell you one thing. The videos are already recorded. That's supposed to go live tomorrow. And I see you have the subscription for my membership also. So don't worry. It is just 7 hours, 7, 8 hours. Tomorrow morning, you will be getting that videos anyway. So why stressed out? And I don't have the VM. I have deleted the VM already. So please Like, can we do it tomorrow? The video is already recorded. I can show you here also. See, these are the videos supposed to go live tomorrow. These are the video already recorded. So yeah, they will be live. Don't worry about that. Tim is saying, okay, got it. Thanks, understand now. Okay, I'm really glad that you understood. Anyway, guys, in case you have Python experience, please go to the repository, start contributing in the project. It is a really nice project. Really nice project. Right now, no one is contributing, but I am pretty much sure that once I release the content and once people are start using it, then automatically people will start contributing automatically. Okay, but I'm giving you early chance to be the member of the close community. So please take that opportunity if you can. Okay, this particular Jahid Coders Jahid guy told me, I'm not sure he's joined or not, but he's supposed to push something today. He didn't push it. I don't know why. But anyway, yeah, anyway, let me check the chat one more time. Okay, please start putting the chat. Let me check how much time it's been so that we can end the stream. It's been 35 minutes. Okay, so we have few more time left. Let's take few questions. Okay, how do I get membership for YouTube? It's on the YouTube. I don't know. Please check it. Oh shit, a membership. I think when you open my channel, it shows that do you want to get a membership? Something like that. Let me show you. Let me show you. So if we go to my channel like this, then you will see 2.222k. Oh shit, 3 times 2. That's really nice. Okay, so if you go, let's say this video, if you click right here and you see somewhere here you will get pop-up members only. Okay, this is members only. Somewhere here you will get pop-up like join membership or something. Okay, hence this account is no original account, that's why it is not giving that pop-up. But if I use some other account, can you see it is getting the pop-up right here, join this manual membership, elite group membership. So if you get elite group, then you get the videos. Okay, great. Where the chart? Okay, your name is too much complex. Edmond Dines. Uh, have said, may we review your repository tutorial on Evilginx? It's called Evilginx Operational Architecture on the GitHub. Did I do that? Did I do that? Operational architecture. It's not operational architecture. I think it's something else. What is your operational architecture or something? No, I think it's not operational architecture. I don't have any public profile with that. I have private profile with the architecture name. That architecture I have prepared for that cracking mechanism of the Ethereum that in the past, but I don't think so. I have that. Let me go to the repository. ARCH. Let's see. No, there is no. No, there is no operational architecture. What are you talking about? Are you talking about the evil punch only, but the operational things or something like that? Because I don't see any operational thing. Server file upload, fishlet, real time voice cloning, 3 proxy, sample natures, brute forcing, honeypot, oath cracking. No, no. There is no operational. What are you talking about? Can you share the link by the way? EDMOND Denise. Please share the link in the chat so that I can copy paste and I will see what you're talking about. It's called Evilginx Operational Architecture on the GitHub wired search. Oh, it's not my repository. It's like someone else repository that you are trying to say. Okay, let me do wide search. Let's share some reviews. 2 stars. Okay. Redirector.html. What is the operational here? Nothing is operational here. I know who you are. I know who you are. No need to do promotion from my side. You already have the link on the my website. Okay, I know you have posted that particular link before. I guess. I think I am talking about the Ramos. Yeah, this content is good. I'm not saying it's bad. This content is good. I have, I think, read it before. Okay, but there is a too much manual stuff. Too much manual stuff. And what people is actually looking for is automated. Okay, lot of people don't have enough knowledge to. I'm not criticizing, but I'm saying they don't have that knowledge to be go deep down technical. Okay, a lot of people, they just want a simple nice interface to do 1 2 3 step and it will do the job. Simple. That exactly what the people is looking for. Okay, so when you post like complex structure like this, like those who have the knowledge also will not going to read. It's, I don't know, it's not what we call user friendly. It's not user friendly, that's what we can call. Okay, I see you got membership right now. That's really great. Nice, thank you. You just bought me coffee. To be honest, I only get coffee from that money, whatever YouTube gives me. It's really pain. Like YouTube gives me, let's say, 8K INR per month or something. Then half of that goes to the my editing software. What the fuck? Okay. Anyway, I hope you got your question answered. I hope this particular session was valuable, and I'm really happy to see that there is a 20 concurrent viewers today, and total people attended is 50 people attended today. So that's new record, and I'm really happy. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. If you have any question, you know where to go, and see the power of the community. Even if I'm not online, even if I'm not responding, people are like, you know, talking to each other on the website right here. And I don't mind like they doing whatever doing, but usually I say like when you post something like sensitive, delete it as soon as possible once that particular work is done, and something like that. But anyway, let's like check the community and let me see how much people has been grown, because it's been quite a lot since I haven't checked. 577 members, that's really nice. So in period of 1.5 week we added 100 members. 100 members, that's really nice. And how many topics we have created? Let me see, where is the topic analytics? Okay, it's not visible here. I think it will be visible in my indexme.in profile. I'll check how many topics I have created. I think I have created around, not I, you guys have created around 300 topics or something. 300 topics or something. That's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next. And there is a one more thing I want to request you guys, that Evil Punch username is not on my side. So do one thing, go to the Telegram, search for the Evil Punch username and report that as a scam, so that that particular guy will lose that username and I can claim it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. I hope we keep this community like this only, and legal only, right? Aaron is saying, if we buy the evil purchase video training, is it the same as the videos you will be uploading on YouTube? No, 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 no. It's different. It's different. Like it's like common thinking. Like if I'm selling it for some money, then why would I upload on the YouTube? That's you're supposed to think about that. No, no, it's not. There are some paid videos that are not available on the YouTube at all, and many. If you are talking about the video training course, there are many. Anyway, yeah, go ahead, purchase the course. Let me know your feedback, and Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Keep engaging, keep contributing, keep supporting, keep donating, keep whatever you want to do. Just stay happy. Thanks for watching. Where is my end stream button?